Here it is, my Christmas stocking sew along. I'm so excited because I actually think it's one of the best ones I've done so far, and I wanted to jump on first just to introduce it because I'm going to do it in two parts. The first part is showing you how to make the pattern because I don't know how to do those patterns where they're bigger than a page. And actually this is, I think, easier than you having to go and print out lots of A4 sheets and glue and stick them together. So the first part is making the pattern. The second part is then actually making the Christmas stockings. I mean, how cute are these? I love them. I'm so pleased with them. I've worked quite hard to get what I think is just the right ease of pattern. This, again, like all my things, are super beginner friendly. Even if you're completely new to sewing, you can make these. So the second part is how to actually make the quilted Christmas stocking. I have appliqued these. I haven't done this in the sew along because it would have just made it way too long, but I'm going to do a separate sew along just on applique, so you can apply it to this or anything else that you're sewing. So that will hopefully come this week as well. But without further ado, I'm going to jump in firstly into the pattern making and then secondly into the actual making, and I hope you enjoy my sew along. First, cut a piece of paper 22 inches by 15 inches. You can use brown paper or pattern paper, whatever's easiest, and then you just stick it to your table just to help with it not shifting. Put your first mark A 5 inches in from the top left corner. Mark point B 1 inch from the top right corner. Mark C 11 inches down from the top right corner. Mark D 7 inches up and half an inch in. Mark E 4 inches in from the bottom left corner. And mark F 4 inches up from the bottom left corner. I'll pause this here just so you can take a screenshot and save it for later if that's easier. Then you just want to draw a straight line from A down 11 inches. You can see I've marked A2. Do the same from B, draw the line down 11 inches. Then just work your way around the boot, just connecting all of those dots that you've created, and you'll end up with something that looks like a rather angular Christmas stocking. Then you want to grab a bowl from your kitchen, or if you've got a French curve you can use it as well, and we're just going to round off some of those points. Once you've got those lines in place, I then just kind of draw around them and just smooth them out and then just indent it slightly just so that it looks like a boot. For the bottom, I mark about halfway along and then literally just do a wave out then in just to complete the boot. And it's as easy as that. You've got your Christmas stocking pattern. So you just want to unstick it and cut it out. For the top of the stocking, you want to cut a pattern piece 9.5 inches by 5 inches, and for the hanging loop, a piece 5 inches by 2 inches. And then we're ready to get cracking with cutting out our fabric. Head to my next post for your full beginner-friendly sew-along.